Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. Today we're going to solve another coolest question, which is middle of the linked list. So basically, what the question is saying, like we're given a head of a single linked list, and we have to written the middle node of the linked list. So this is one of the coolest question I think in the linked list. Like if you are understanding and learning linked list, I will say this is one of the best question. So like what the question is saying, like they are just saying, Ravi's over here. Just look at me, what I'm saying. So the question is saying, like we have given a linked list, and we have to find the middle node of that one. Okay, the middle node. Okay. So here can be two conditions. This is a odd linked list. So we have something like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is odd, and this is the even one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, even one. Okay. So in this one, middle can be this one or this one, but it depends on like what the condition we give. Alright, guys. So now you will ask like, okay, we understand what you are saying. The thing is like we don't understand like how we're gonna solve this question. Alright. So how we're gonna solve this question? To let me just explain you through diagram. Okay, so I will explain you through a diagram. Let me just copy this thing from over here. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, so I just drew it over here. Okay, I just copy and paste over here. Okay, so let's say I will create my two pointers. So I will use my two pointer. One is slow one and one is fast one. So my slow move only one step and my fast move two step ahead. Okay, so what will happen now? So now what will happen? My slow will move one over here. So my slow will go over here. My slow will move over here. Okay, what will happen to my fast? My fast will go over here. Fast 1, 2. So it will go 2 times ahead. Okay, my fast will move over here. All right. So now let's say you will say like, okay, now again move. So I will again move it, obviously, because I will move till my fast node equals to null. So once my fast reach null, once my fast reach null, I will stop it and I will return it. Okay, so let's just see what I will return. Okay, so my fast is over here. So what will happen? My slow will move one time, so it will come over here. My fast will move two times. Okay, it will come over here. Okay, so now this is the guys crucial condition. So what will happen? So I will check, is my fast dot next is null or my fast is pointing at null. Let's say if my in this one my fast next is null. So what will happen? I will just simply return my slow. So I will simply return my slow. So what it means, like it means like my slow reach the midpoint and my fast is like on the tail. My fast is at tail. This is our tail and this is our head, and my slow is at mid. Slow is mid of that. So I will simply return my slow. Okay, because like if I go one more ahead, then my fast reach like after null there is nothing. Okay, so that's why I stop my fast over here. So I make some conditions. Okay, so I hope so this thing is clear. Like this is the odd case. We are dealing with odd case. So let me just write the code and I will show you the even case as well. Okay, so first of all, let's just write the code, what the code will say. Alright, so let me just make one base condition. So my base condition will say if my head is null or my head dot next is null. So it means like if my head has only one value, then what I will do, I will simply return my head, because like there cannot be any there cannot be any midpoint, because like let's say I have one. So what's the midpoint of one? Nothing. So the one is one. Okay, so I simply return a head. Okay, now I will make my slow and fast pointer. I will say list node slow. Slow is like on the positioning on the head, and my similarly list node fast. My fast pointer is positioning on the head as well. Okay, okay. So now what I will do, I will make one while condition. I will make one while condition. In my while condition, I will say, okay, my while condition will go till my fast is not equals to null. Okay, if my fast is positioning at null. Oh, and if my fast dot next, okay, is not equal to null. So remember the last condition which I showed you, like my fast is on the tail and after that we will find null. So that's what I did over here. Okay, so this can be like if my fast is already at null, or this can be like the next element of my fast, the next node of my fast is null. So I will stop my loop because it will return false for that. Okay, alright. So now what I will do, I will just simply move my slow pointer one time. So my slow will go slow dot next, and my fast will go fast dot next dot next. So it's going two times. Okay, so I hope this thing is here, and finally return slow. So that's all the code is, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, so I hope so this thing is clear, like what I'm doing. Let me just run this code to see any compilation error do we face. So let's see, and here we go. So it's accepting very well. Okay, so let me just go for this one even case. So let me just copy this thing from over here. All right, ladies and gentlemen, so I just draw it and I just copy and paste over here. Okay, so let's say my slow is over here and my fast is over here. So my slow will move one times and my fast will move two times. Okay, and this is the even case. So we are using even case. Okay, so what will happen in this one? So my slow will go one step, my fast will go two step. Okay, Again, my slow will go 1 step, my fast will go 2 steps, so it will come over here, something like, okay. So my fast dot next is not null and my fast is not pointing at null, okay. So what will happen again? My slow will move one more time and my fast will go at null. So right now my fast is at null. So this is the condition like which I write. So in the even one, just look at over here. So this condition is dealing with the even case. This condition is dealing with the even one. Okay, so let me just copy this from over here. Okay, so this condition, like if my fast is not equal to null, but my fast is at null, so I will simply break my loop. That's what I'm doing. So my fast is at null, I will simply return it, and what I will return, I will return my slow, because my slow is, at that time is pointing at mid one. Okay, so this is the mid. Okay, like in the even one, I told you like either this can be mid, either this can be mid. Okay, it depends on our condition. Okay. So ladies and gentlemen, I hope this thing is clear. Let me just submit this code finally, and let's see whether it's accepting very well or not. Okay, and then we will talk about time complexity. Okay, so it's accepting very well. All right, guys. So what's happening over here? The time complexity. The time complexity is our big O of n. The time complexity is big O of n, because we are just checking on, like we are just getting the n mid. So this can be n by 2. Okay, so it means like 1 by 2 is constant. So I will just simply return big O of n. So big O of n. Let me just erase it for. I will write it over here. So like I think you will not see. So my time complexity will be like initially is n by 2. So we ignore constants. So I just focus on n. So this n. So my it will be big O of n. Time complexity and the space complexity. In the space complexity is big O of 1, because we are not dealing with any extra spaces, we are not using any extra spaces. So ladies and gentlemen, I hope so this thing is very well clear. So what we are doing, okay, so thank you very much for watching this video, and if you still have any ideas, do let me know in the comment section. I will definitely gonna list you, and if you still don't understand anything, I will suggest you to watch this video again. You will definitely gonna understand. And thank you ladies and gentlemen for watching this video. I will see you in the next one. Till then, take care, bye bye, and I love you guys. Take care, bye bye.